Hey there, tech enthusiasts and TV lovers. Today, we've got an incredible product to showcase for you. Introducing the global version Xiaomi Mi TV Box S 2nd Gen 4K Ultra HD BT 5.22 GB 8GB Dolby Vision HDR10 Google Assistant Smart Mi Box S Player. Phew, that was a mouthful, but let me tell you, this product is worth every letter in its name. First of all, the Mi TV Box S is your ultimate streaming companion. With its powerful quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor, you can say goodbye to lags and buffering during your favorite shows and movies. And the 4K H.265 support ensures that you'll be treated to crystal-clear visuals and high-quality audio on your TV or smartphone. The Wi-Fi support on this TV stick is next level, with both 2.4G and 5.8G options, ensuring that you're always connected to your home network with lightning-fast speeds. Plus, with HDMI compatibility, setting up this TV stick is a breeze. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the operating system. The Mi TV Box S runs on Android TV 10.0, which means you'll have access to a wide selection of applications, high-quality content, and fast response times. And with support for 8K video, you'll be experiencing cinema-level viewing right in the comfort of your own home. But wait, there's more. This TV stick also supports Google Voice input, allowing for a more relaxed control experience, and the BT Voice remote control takes your smart living to the next level. With easy pairing for your favorite devices and easy setup steps, you'll be enjoying your favorite shows and movies with zero hassle. In addition to all the amazing features, the Mi TV Box S supports 4K 60fps and HDR10, making the picture quality truly delicate and realistic. And with support for 2.4G 5.8G dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2, you can connect all your peripherals with ease. So, why wait? Elevate your TV viewing experience and make the most out of your entertainment with the global version Xiaomi Mi TV Box S. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible TV stick and take your home entertainment to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your TV viewing experience.